Hi Lovelies, welcome back to Simply Share. Now today is a big day for me. Why? Because this mama is getting a makeover. Woohoo! Now if you've been watching my channel or following me on Instagram, I'm a new mom trying to juggle work and family life, which doesn't leave me a lot of time for self-care. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, I've partnered with Chatters Hair Salon, who gifted me the chance to treat myself and give me that extra boost of confidence to feel like my old self again. So come along with me to get some awesome tips and tricks to freshen up your look as I get ready for my Valentine's Day date night with my favorite people. So let's jump right in. So I'm in the car. I arrived at Burlington Mapleview Mall and I'm just about to fix this hot mess. Basically, I usually have it in a top knot or just like in a low bun, and it's not really cute. So I am so excited to go to Chatters Hair Salon right now and get my new look. Today, I'm working with Kaila, #KailaCamGlam, as my stylist, and I am loving her energy. Even though we literally just met for the first time, I can already tell that we are going to have a blast today.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
What are we gonna do with this?
Okay, it's time for a mama makeover, obviously. Got my mama sweatshirt on. It has been 6 months since I cut my hair.
Okay.
As you can see, it is lifeless. I'm a new mom, and to be honest, my go-to hairstyle is this, the
The
5-second top knot.
Yes.
But because my hair fell out, I have these weird little 2-inch pieces.
They seem longer though. They're
Yeah,
growing.
I like your positivity.
The little hairs that could.
It's not really trending.
Well, a way that we can turn this into a trendy look, mind if I take out the top
Yeah,
knot?
of course.
So, let's bring back some shape into this hair.
Yes.
And get rid of the dead ends.
Okay.
Even though your hair is in relatively good condition, why don't we play with these face framing layers a little bit, add some wispiness, pull it up to the cheekbone approximately.
Yeah.
We'll decide that a little bit later.
Mm-hmm.
But having some playfulness and wispiness in the front allows you to, when your hair is up, have some kind of fallout.
Cute.
That's already cute, right? It's gonna bring back some shape to your look. I'm thinking here.
Ooh.
Get rid of this chunk down there, not doing anything for you.
So you can actually see the mama.
Exactly, we'll bring back the mama.
Yeah.
Exactly. Hot mama.
Hot
though.
mama. Ooh. Yes, because I am looking for sort of simple and sexy, like turning up the mama groove factor. That would be amazing.
Okay, great. We'll just bring back like a strong shape into your hair. That way it looks styled even if you didn't try. So when we trim your hair back here, we're gonna get rid of about this much.
Guys.
But it's gonna stay nice and long in front. It's gonna cascade downward so that when you're styling or flipping your hair around, it just has like a shape and a style to it, even if you perhaps woke up and just left.
Yes,
Let
when I
it
just
be.
woke up like this.
Yeah, and we can go through a little bit of styling options too with some hot tools, some
Yes.
protection.
Yes.
We'll get
Tell me
them.
all the things, all the tips. Not going back. Hope this is right.
Whoa. Well, no going back now. I guess that's the line.
Don't do this at home. Okay, guys.
Disclaimer.
It's a joke. This was definitely supervised. We agreed if this was the right length. I'm handing the scissors over to you.
Thank you. I'll take those down.
This is probably gonna be one of the most awkward shots of the video, but Kaila's doing a great job at getting my hair nice and clean.
Yeah.
Then what are we gonna do next? We're doing a treatment?
Yes, we're gonna use a Redken chemistry shot treatment. I'm gonna give you a little all soft, a little
Ooh.
volume shot in there. We can customize it, so those are the two I chose for you.
Love it. So my hair is nice and clean now, and we are going to do the treatment, correct?
Yes. I'm gonna put the all soft right on your ends here. Nourish those locks.
Yeah.
Massage it all over.
This is my favorite part.
Mm-hmm. You're not alone.
I should massage my head more.
It does promote new hair growth.
Does it?
Yeah. Stimulates your
All of these
scalp.
tips. I'm done my rinse, I'm done the treatment, and now
time for the scalp treatment.
I don't know why I got scared for 2 seconds.
A little ASMR moment.
Okay, I know that you guys can't actually feel what I'm feeling right now, but it's so cooling, and I honestly feel like I'm at a spa right now.
I am gonna put a little bit of leave-on conditioner / detangler spray from Unite on your hair for manageability.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now.
It's starting to shape up.
Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine.
And a huge thanks to Angelina, who brought some yummy donuts, and of course, I couldn't resist. I'm just gonna keep myself occupied with this donut.
Okay, last step, blending everything together.
Blend it.
You have some internal layering that aren't that obvious or chunky. It's just really soft, which helps everything grow out really nice. And I just did some soft layers on the top to keep it light and bouncy. The back of your hair. Nice and flowy, good. That's exactly what I was hoping you would do. Sway it around, check out that movement. And then you can see how it like cascades forward. We have these fun, playful little pieces peeking through around your face so that when your hair's up, we can have this like soft, ooh, oh, I'm getting the chills, I'm so excited. Love this like line on you because don't you feel like it's styled right now? Yes. And it's just in its natural state. This is how it would dry naturally. And we're gonna try you with this other part because when you switch your part up, you actually get more volume, right? You knew it. We have the AG Thermal Setting Spray. Nice. It's actually called spray gel. It's a very soft, like leave-in heat protection thermal hold. So anytime you're using like heat on your hair, whether it's curling or flat iron, it really has that like memory. But it's just nice and light. The fragrance is beautiful. You can go kind of heavy with it. It just really helps to hold your style all night long. You spray it on dry hair. You wait for it to be dry. I like to give it a comb through to make sure it's all even. Do you want to try this opposite side part today? Yeah. This is your mom on the go magic wand. Okay. Right here, triple barrel power.
Whoa. Amazing.
So it's super easy to use. All you have to do is clamp it on your hair, release. Clamp it on your hair, release. And then you get this like deep movement. Yeah, so stamp and go, exactly. I call it the wiggle wave, because it's like a woo. So yeah, literally press 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Literally, this is me stamping 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just line it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just line it up again. 2, 3, 4. That's the reason I love it the most. Nothing like effortless glam. I like to do like a rule of thumb to like 4 to 5 seconds each section. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also like when I do it, I like to kind of like push it up so it has time to like pause. Or I have like the Siri voice. Hold it there for 4 seconds. This is great. This is like 15 minutes and you're out the door. Full glam.
Love.
What I'm gonna do is just take a hot tool just to customize it a little bit and take these pieces around your face. And this is the tricky part, but my tip is to line it up on a diagonal, forehead to neck.
Okay.
And direct it where you wanna go. So, and then spin it so it faces inward and then just pull it down through. But then if you were ever to do like a half up, half down style, you have this movement down here. You can just twist it up into like one of these buns. Have those face framers coming down.
Face framers.
From ours.
This is just gonna change my life.
That's
Hashtag
it.
cascade.
Cascade.
Wave.
Hashtag modern mom. Right?
OMG.
That's you. Let's just expose this whole look. Are we ready?
Oh, even like this part. Like, look at that. For like a wedding.
True, yes. Oh my God. That's one of my go-to looks. Is if you're just gonna take like a fancy pin. 1 second. I'm gonna do it.
Things are happening.
If you just take one of these, any kind of like bold piece of hair jewelry, and stick it right up beside your ear.
Whoa.
you are totally good to go to
cute.
an event or, I mean, date night or, I mean, anything really. It's just like the next level of this look.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna whoosh this off and then spin you right around. Oh, sorry, yeah. Voila!
Hey guys! So check this out. Like, look how much volume I have. I came in with like lackluster, lifeless hair, and Kaila has totally transformed me. I have such a versatile cut. I'm so excited. I can go wavy, I can go straight. She even changed my side part, which I think is really adventurous. I never make any changes to my hair, and I can still have it kind of even doing like a little, what do you call this? Like an updo? No, a side
do.
Side do. A side do. Thank you, Kaila.
TikTok dancing.
TikTok dancing.
Ooh. You know this one?
No.
It's magic.
And okay guys, be honest, what do you think of my new look? Comment below if you are loving this, hashtag modern mama vibe.
Whoa.
New mom, who dis?
Damn.
Simple and sexy. Am I rocking it?
Yeah.
Who
I
am
love
I?
it.
Who
I
is
love it.
this? I kind of feel like, I don't know, my old self.
Yeah, I see you. There's nothing.
Same person?
Yeah, you're not trying to be anybody else. It's just like a different era, a different style.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Love it.
Girl,
It's
you're so
great.
cool.
Yeah,
You're
I
so
love- I love
cool.
it. The crib is amazing.
Happy Valentine's Day! Woo! Thanks so much for watching, and to all the mamas out there who really deserve some me time, I highly suggest heading out to your local Chatters hair salon to get the royal treatment and to also get a chance to feel like $1,000,000. Hashtag treat yourself. A huge thanks goes to Chatters Hair Salon and my stylist Kaila for helping me freshen up my look. I've left all the links down below. Now, I think this look is perfect for future date nights, Valentine's Day, or just a night out with my friends. Now that I've got all the tools to create this look, I'm definitely going to make more of an effort to make myself feel special. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Simply Share, and I will be back next week with a brand new video. I'll see you next time to help you get things done simply.